This is my house made out of Lego, and it is very precious because it's made up from multicoloured, and it won't blow down because it's made out of Lego kind of bricks things, and it got fire in the chimney.
What's on the top, Oliver? Come and point to it.
The wolf.
So the Lego wolf and the little pig family. Okay, Oliver, you ready? You're going to play with the hairdryer?
My house is not going.
And there is the piggy's helicopter.
Ew, smells like soap.
And there is the piggy's sand buggy. There we go. One well-built pig house. It's not blowing over.
And this is their breakdown truck.
There's their piggy's breakdown truck.